How to change DPI in Photoshop? Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So let's just get started right away. And I over here have an image and I'm going to change the DPI of this image. So in order to do that, what you want to do is go to image in the top left corner, then go to image size over here. And then here we have the resolution, which is currently set to 72. I believe this is the default. And let's say I would like to change this, for example, to 300. It increases the width and the height a lot, but I'm just simply going to click on OK. Then you'll just have to wait for this a little bit, depending on how big the size is of your image. This is actually quite a big image right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we have changed it. As you can see, it's way bigger now and the DPI has changed. Now I'm simply going to click on export by saving a copy over here. I'm simply just going to call this like that. And I'm just going to leave everything as is. I'm going to click on OK. There we go. It's currently saving. And once it is done, it is now over here. And if I right click on this, go to properties, then go to details. And then over here, we can see that the DPI is in fact 300. And even in Photoshop here in the bottom left corner, we can see 300 over there as well. So that is pretty much it. That's how to change DPI in Photoshop.